forever, ever hold or never mind. Oh,
Cool people, कैसे हैं आप लोग? I welcome you all to Soul Tarot. Thank you, my new joiners. I welcome you on board. My old joiners, I send you so much of love and light. Thank you for encouraging, motivating, and watching the videos. Right? So let's move on. So I was, this was like this inkling that I had, which was about divine masculine energy. Keep that in mind. So divine masculine is like, I think I'll pin the reading, third party reading थी वो that I'd done, that the courage was missing, but he was gathering courage. So I am tapping into that soul tribe that resonated with that reading. So इसको उसके साथ लिंक करके आगे जरूर लेके जाएगा जिन्होंने वो रीडिंग देखी है. प्लीज डू वॉच दिस रीडिंग एज वेल. एंड it is about the courage. He has come into that engagement, that he's kind of saying that तुझे याद न मेरी आई, किसी से अब क्या कहना, दिल रोया के अख भर आई, दिल रोया के अख भर आई. So basically it's not that the divine masculine energy is crying, no, but this is the kind of vibe I'm tapping into the people who are actually resonating. Okay, cross watchers अपने inner compass को दिखेगा और चलेगा. So करंट एनर्जीज में भी देख सकते हैं, अपकमिंग एनर्जीज में भी देख सकते हैं, बट मोर लाइक दैट सिचुएशन दैट वाज गोइंग ऑन विद द लैक ऑफ करेज. वो एनर्जी सडनली फील कर रही है और कह रही है दैट आई एम मिसिंग यू, आई एम मिसिंग यू, बिकॉज whoever they are with right now or they were with right now, they really miss you because they think that what you brought to them and for them nobody else did. वो डेफिनेटली आप में वो खूबसूरती देखते हैं और वो चाहते हैं दैट इट शुड कम इन. सो आखिर माइक्रो माय स्पिरिट गाइड्स, शो मी द मैसेजेस आई नीड टू सी फॉर द वन रेजोनेटिंग, द सोल ट्राइब इज रेजोनेटिंग. व्हाट आर द मैसेजेस वी नीड टू सी? You are the happy place for them. You are the happy place for this person. Yeah, you are the happy place. That's what they're showing me. They touched it. Ten of Pentacles. This is the core energy. They see everything with you. They miss out the good times they've spent with you. जो अच्छा टाइम उन्होंने आपके साथ बिताया. They're really missing out on them. And ये जिसकी भी energy है currently, please take it the way it's coming. Okay? Don't judge it. Just accept it, because universe में कोई clock नहीं होता है. It's ticking, yes, but it's fluid. So the masculine energy is like really wanting this to happen, because with the dog here, they know that you're loyal, they know that you're very trustworthy, they know that how abundant you are. आप कितनी happiness और कितनी खुशी लेकर आते हैं उनकी लाइफ में. जेनेटिलिया नहीं है guys, keep that in mind, but women, of course, what seeing, watching, or men, you're telling me no, it's not that. ऐसे नहीं है, don't fool me. Don't say that Shivi, you don't know. I know, because I can see through you. I can just see that the person you're thinking about is really thinking about you too. वो आपके बारे में सोच रहे हैं. वो उनको पता है कि आप इतनी खुशी लेकर आते हैं, इतनी खुशी लेकर आते हैं जिसका कोई अंत नहीं है. With the lovers here, what do you want to say to me with this? Can I make this up? No, I can't. There is love, there's passion, बहुत कुछ. मतलब आपका भी मन कर रहा है कि जाके मिल लूँ. COVID times, we all are stuck. I'm sure there must be distance also which is playing. Maybe you're dealing with somebody who's married. Maybe you have someone who is already into a relationship. But with the Eight of Pentacles here, you're holding on, or the person is conveying that I'm holding on. Full moon in Sagittarius with the lunar eclipse is going to bring that change around. Maybe you'll receive a message, as we have the Ten of Pentacles as the core energy. The first card is the strongest, guys. They love you. They really know that you're the one, And they're thinking with the hermit here, na, they're really thinking. And see with the lunar eclipse, the light around, as I said, they're really thinking about this. They're thinking deep and they really want this to work. They really want this to work. They know that the kind of love you offered them, nobody gave them that kind of love. With the Empress, they know that you are just too hot. Somebody who's watching the reading is way too hot, very abundant, very sexy, very complete. कोई bullshit नहीं, कोई nonsense नहीं. उसको पता है उसकी worth, उसको पता है how capable she is or he is, the energy, you know, and very in the zone, saying that, you know, I'm also waiting for you to come and tell me this, that, you know, I am your 10 of Pentacles, that kind of vibe. And in that full energy, you know, the person is saying the same thing, that जिनके बारे में भी आप सोच रहे हैं, that whatever pain with the Three of Swords, you know, you've been through the no contact, the separation, the gap, the third party, they're saying that, you know, please just let's give this a chance. Let's give love a chance. All I'm saying, let's give love a chance. I'm going to actually tag this reading like that. They're actually asking, the divine masculine energy is asking that let's give this a chance. Their current energies are like that, people. Whoever is resonating, guys, ये उनकी रीडिंग है. बहुत सोच रहे हैं आपके बारे में, बहुत सोच रहे हैं. And they are ready to wait. They are ready to wait. They are ready to do anything. And like a fool, they really want to come to you, rushing, take that leap of faith towards you and tell you that, oh, you are my queen, or the energy, you are the one for me, you're my ecstasy. And that's what they want. And there's so much of sun, there's so much of strength at the back. See how much strength, how beautiful this is. Like, she's complete, he's complete. So yeah, they're thinking about you. They're really thinking about you. They're gathering courage and they're not happy with the person they are right now. Whoever the third party situation was, they're not happy with that person. They see the difference between you and that person. With the Hermit here, they see the difference with you and that person. They know that what you give them, nobody else does. That is why they are all set to come to you. When? Let's see. Until the next time, I send you lots of love, lots of light, and do like and subscribe to the channel. घंटी ज़रूर दबाइए so that you know when the next reading is uploaded. I send you so much of love, so much of light. COVID times, guys, stay safe, stay home, take care of your loved ones. ध्यान रखिए, and sending you love until eternity. Bye.